If you are looking for the best toaster oven, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started.
At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals.
Number 1. Most popular. Panasonic FlashXpress Compact Toaster Oven. The reasonably priced Panasonic FlashXpress excels at making toast, cookies, and frozen snacks. In our tests, it cooked food evenly and didn't generate any hot spots that would otherwise cause inconsistent toasting. Impressively, it made toast faster than most of the other models we tried. At around 1 cubic foot in volume, it takes up very little space on a counter, but it's still large enough to fit 4 pieces of bread or 2 slices of leftover pizza. Number 2. Breville BOV800XL Smart Toaster Oven. The Breville Smart Oven BOV800XL, a 1,800-watt convection toaster with the company's Element IQ technology, is a great medium-size model that's more compact than our Cuisinart pick but bigger than the Panasonic FlashXpress. We were impressed by its ability to maintain a set temperature better than most of its competition. It doesn't toast quite as evenly as the Cuisinart, but it bakes cookies and melts cheese well. Compared with the Panasonic, the Breville has a more modern, intuitive interface. Number 3. Hamilton Beach Countertop Toaster Oven. The inexpensive Hamilton Beach 31401 toasted bread better than any other toaster oven less than $100. This no-frills model lacks many of the features included in our other picks, such as digital controls and preset cooking features, but it heats evenly. Its humble size makes it ideal for kitchens with limited counter space, but its oven cavity is still large enough to fit 4 slices of bread. The Hamilton Beach runs cooler than other models we tested, so you'll need to increase the temperature by about 25 degrees when baking or roasting. Number 4. BLACK+DECKER TO3250XSB Toaster Oven. The Black & Decker convection oven has several enhancements that set it apart from a standard toaster oven. Its convection function, in particular, adds major appeal. Many owners praise the convection fan, which they say is much quieter than what you'll find on other models, such as the Hamilton Beach. In addition to convection baking, the oven is also good at broiling, toasting, reheating, and keeping food warm. To give you the best possible cooking experience, it features state-of-the-art electronic controls with 4 settings for specific types of food. Number 5. Cuisinart TOB260N1 Chef's Convection Toaster Oven. It has a large capacity but a relatively small footprint, thus saving crucial counter space. When it comes to selecting functions, it's smart enough to present a full range of menu options, including convection settings and programmable cooking functions. With 1,800 watts of power, it heats up quickly and toasts bread evenly on both sides. On top of that, it employs sophisticated yet user-friendly internal temperature compensation technology, which suggests the ideal cooking time based on the number of toasts. It also comes with a speed convection button, which lets you cook without waiting for the oven to heat up first.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.